Welcome to Exam Sale. In this quick guide we will walk through the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals exam syllabus so you know exactly what to study and why it matters. Overview of the syllabus and domain weights. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power Apps 25%. Describe the business value of Microsoft Power Platform 20%. Identify the core components of Microsoft Power Platform 15%. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power BI 15%. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power Automate 15%, and describe complementary Microsoft Power Platform solutions 10%. This course balances hands-on and conceptual assessments and focuses on low-code app design, data, automation, analytics, security, and AI. You will get a clear map of topics, estimated study time, difficulty level, and assessment style so you can prioritize your preparation. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power Apps is weighted at 25%, difficulty medium, with an estimated learning time of 8 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will learn to design and build low-code applications using Canvas and model-driven frameworks, including when to choose Canvas apps or model-driven apps. Key skills include using Power Apps Studio components, connecting to data sources, applying formulas, designing screens, and building views and forms in the App Designer. Expect to practice sharing and managing apps and to compare Canvas app scenarios with Dataverse-backed model-driven solutions. Describe the business value of Microsoft Power Platform carries 20%, difficulty easy, with an estimated learning time of 4 hours and assessment type conceptual and scenario-based. This domain explains how the platform supports digital transformation and integrates with Microsoft 365, Azure, and Dynamics 365 to deliver business outcomes. You will learn about environment management, data loss prevention policies, security groups, the Power Platform Admin Center, and compliance and accessibility features. Emphasis is on understanding the shared responsibility model and how governance supports secure, scalable adoption. Identify the core components of Microsoft Power Platform is 15%, difficulty medium, with an estimated learning time of 5 hours and assessment type conceptual and scenario-based. You will explore Microsoft Dataverse as the data layer, including tables, columns, relationships, business rules, environments, and the common data model structure. The domain also covers connectors, explaining triggers and actions, differences between standard and premium connectors, custom connector use cases, and the role of on-premises data gateways. Expect scenarios that test managing data, applying business logic, and integrating services through connectors. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power BI as 15%, difficulty medium, with an estimated learning time of 6 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will gain skills in Power BI Desktop for data preparation, cleaning, connecting to sources, creating visualizations, and formatting reports. The service side covers dashboards versus reports, workspaces, collaboration, data refresh scheduling, apps, mobile consumption, and sharing best practices. Hands-on practice will focus on building reports, choosing the right visual types, and configuring refresh and access in the Power BI service. Demonstrate the capabilities of Power Automate as 15%, difficulty medium, with an estimated learning time of 6 hours and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will learn to automate business processes using cloud flows, including automated, button, and scheduled flows, and to identify triggers, actions, conditions, loops, and templates. The domain also covers desktop flows and robotic process automation, and business process flows with stages and steps, along with monitoring and management of flow activity. Practical assessments emphasize designing reliable flows, integrating connectors, and choosing when to use cloud versus desktop automation. Describe complementary Microsoft Power Platform solutions as 10%, difficulty easy, with an estimated learning time of 3 hours and assessment type scenario-based. This section introduces Microsoft Copilot Studio and AI Builder to extend apps with conversational AI and pre-built or custom AI models, including components of a copilot, topics, entities, and actions, plus publishing and deployment. You will learn the business value of generative AI and conversational experiences, how to train and deploy AI Builder models, and how to consume those models in Power Apps and Power Automate. Focus on practical scenarios where AI adds value and how to integrate these solutions responsibly. That concludes the syllabus overview for Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals. Use the domain weights, estimated study times, and topic highlights to plan a targeted study path and focus your hands-on practice for the exam.